Ay, naatake ko. Bakit mo ko dinitilaan?
What's up guys? Welcome back to my new vlog. So for today we're doing a group ride again, but this one is just like a community ride. We're outside of Moro City to be on the bike group. Urban ride. Cramps? This is my first time in this road because I always go to Al Qudra and Maidan, but this one's like a refreshing ride, urban ride only. Fuck, they're too fast. Shit.
Napanood ko lang sa YouTube to.
Nasa YouTube ka na.
Today.
Nasa YouTube ka na rin. We're doing this one every Thursday morning, 5:30 a.m. starting from Beyond the Bag, and we're going through Motor City, IMPZ, Sport City, and right now we're Jumeirah Gulf. Place is really nice. Good to have a community ride like this one. It's like you're refreshing your legs, your mind after a really hard training. For example, you're doing like a 2 days fast group rides, and after that one rest day, and then the next would be the community ride like this one. Feels great. It's like I'm recovering my mind, also my body. This place is so amazing, you know. It feels like you're not in Dubai. Because some people are thinking that Dubai is just like more on buildings, sands, but this one is like Manila. It's like BGC, or it's like Alabang in the Philippines. Ha? May picture ba o hindi? Okay, now we're done with the ride, and right now we're here beyond the park, our shop, and we'll just take a coffee and then pastries. Then we're going home. We're going to check Faye's bike. So here's Faye.
Hello, I'm Faye. Yeah. I have a Chapter 2 Rarity Edition in white. It's also UCI certified. So Chapter 2 is designed in New Zealand, but made somewhere. So it has a Dura Ace group set, 170mm arm length with stages power meter here. Also has Dura Ace rear derailleur and front derailleur, also the calipers. Also Dura Ace R9100. Is that correct? Yeah.
Wheel set.
And I have a training wheel set right now. I borrowed from my friend, Fulcrum Racing 5LG with 1130 cassette for climbing. And I have a S-Works Power saddle. Really recommended for lady riders. And I also have a carbon S-Works handlebar size 38. And some stock stem until Miko gives me a carbon stem. Thank you, Mika.
Thank you so much, Faye. Kita naman. What do you do for a living?
I'm a marketing executive at a tech company here in Dubai.
Thank you so much. What a lovely bike.
And my salary is...
Alright guys, good morning. So we have here my fixed gear bike. I have this for 7 years already. It's normal. It's 48-16 gear ratio with the project straps. And that's it.
Air spoke on the front.
Air spoke on the front, yeah.
And also the frame is Aventon Mataro.
Yeah.
Low? I think this is the low.
This is Mataro.
The Mataro, the
Yeah.
normal one. Because the Mataro low, it's the Pursuit one.
Yeah.
And if it's the Mataro, it's just the normal straight top
Straight,
tube.
yeah.
So,
Keeping it simple.
nice bike.
Thanks, man.
Okay, my bike is S-Works Tarmac SL6 with S-Works power crank and a power saddle and an aero bar, Airworks. I'm using Wahoo element and a Robal set. So it's a complete set of bike, no upgrades yet.
What do you do for a living, Adriz?
I am actually a marketing executive in a pharma company.
Oh, thank you so much. What a lovely bike.
Thank you.
After ride, coffee. Invite them.
Come join us every Friday or Thursday to ride. It's a group ride. It's a friendly and social ride. And yeah, let's go.
Tignan, mag-shoutout na. Shoutout.
Shout out!
Okay, we're done. So we're going to continue the bike check on the next vlog. And I'm going home so I can take a shower and go to work after. So see you on next vlog. Ciao!